guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's project is we are going to make a cat chasing a rat. This is the project which we are going to make today, a cat chasing a rat. And let's make it. Take a cat. Take a cat and a mouse. And go to the mouse and take a forever block and a green flag option. Then go to motion and take one point towards mouse pointer. Then take one move 10 step and change it to 5 and go to looks and take a change costume block and see whether it's working like this. You can also change the size of the rat. Now take this code and leave it here. Then the cat will get the code. And take this change costume and delete this. And take another forever block and the green flag option and an if block. And in the if block, keep touching mouse pointer. Keep it mouse. Here also mouse. Then go to sounds and take this start sound meow and keep it here. Then a wait block. And see whether it's working like this. It's not working properly, so change this to 3 and see whether it's working like this. And you can also take a backdrop. Click here and take any backdrop you want. Then now I'll show you how it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon.